laser and sound bird repellent. Laser Trac 40, anti-bird solution. Introducing the Laser Trac 40, an autonomous and innovative device that combines two bird deterrent systems in a single unit. An automatic Class 2M laser and a programmable sound scarecrow with over 50 different acoustic signals. This combination significantly increases effectiveness against birds such as pigeons, jackdaws, crows, sparrows, and seagulls, which cause damage in warehouses, silos, industrial facilities, stables, and agricultural areas. The laser is designed to scare birds with a moving beam that follows unpredictable paths, making it difficult for birds to become accustomed to it. The Avitrac 18M Plus sound module allows you to adjust the volume, the frequency, and the sound repertoire, activating the laser whenever a sound is played, creating a hostile and highly uncomfortable environment for birds. No fixed installation is required. The Laser Trac 40 is portable and autonomous and comes with a lithium iron phosphate battery, 12 volts, 7.2 ampere hours. Its IP55 rated casing ensures water resistance, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, including at night. The effect is fast, but may not be immediate. Some birds, especially if nesting, may take a few days to completely abandon the site, but results appear consistently. Uncertain about which bird repellent is right for you? Our team is ready to help. Visit Anti-Pombos.pt and discover other sustainable solutions by AgriPro Tech, a French company specializing in bird control technology. Enjoyed the video? Give it a like and hit subscribe. More practical and helpful content is coming soon.